Financial literacy isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. In a world driven by money, understanding how to manage it is the key to personal freedom. It's not just about having enough to pay the bills, or the ability to buy what you want when you want it. It's about understanding the value of money, the power it holds, and the potential it has to shape your life. Financial literacy is about making informed decisions. It's about knowing when to save and when to invest. It's about understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt. It's about recognizing the potential risks and rewards of financial decisions. It's about planning for the future while living in the present. It's about understanding that money isn't just a means to an end, it's a tool that can help you achieve your dreams. But how, you may ask, can one acquire such knowledge? The answer lies in the wealth of wisdom found in finance books. These are not just books. They're treasure troves of knowledge offering insights into the world of money and finance that can transform your financial life. These books hold the secrets to financial success. They unravel the mysteries of money management, investment strategy, and personal finance. They offer practical advice, proven strategies, and invaluable insights that can help you navigate the complex world of finance. But these secrets aren't just for the financially savvy or the investment guru, they're for everyone. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're well on your way, there's always something new to learn, and there's no better way to learn than from those who've walked the path before you. So why not take a journey with us? Let's explore the wisdom of these finance books together. Let's uncover the secrets they hold and apply them to our own financial lives. Let's transform our understanding of money and take control of our financial future. Let's dive into the world of finance books and uncover the secrets they hold. Our first money secret comes from the renowned book Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book introduces us to a profound concept, one that can shift our entire perspective towards money. It's about making money work for you, instead of you working for money. This concept is about creating passive income streams and investing wisely. Rather than spending our days tirelessly working to earn, we should focus on building assets that generate income for us. This could be through real estate, stocks, bonds, or even a side business. The goal here is to achieve financial freedom, where our money is doing the hard work, and we are not trading our precious time for dollars. It's about taking control of our financial destiny and changing our money habits. The beauty of this secret is its simplicity, yet it's a paradigm shift that many fail to grasp. As Kiyosaki rightly puts it, the poor work for money while the rich make money work for them. The second money secret is from The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. The book introduces us to a seemingly simple yet powerful principle: pay yourself first. So, what does it mean to pay yourself first? Well, it's all about prioritizing your future over immediate gratification. Before you pay your bills, before you buy groceries, before you do anything else, set aside a portion of your income to save. This practice over time can lead to significant wealth accumulation. It's not about the amount you save, it's about the consistency and discipline of doing it regularly. It's like planting seeds and watching them grow over time. This principle is a cornerstone of personal finance and wealth building. It's a small step that can lead to a big difference in your financial future. Remember, wealth grows where men exert energy. So start by paying yourself first. Money secret number 3 is from the timeless classic Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This profound book introduces us to the power of desire and persistence. And no, we're not talking about wishful thinking. We're referring to an intense, burning desire that can drive you to take action. Imagine having a goal so compelling that you can't help but strive for it, regardless of the obstacles in your way. Now, pair that burning desire with unwavering persistence. That's the kind of tenacity that laughs in the face of failure and keeps going until success is achieved. Hill suggests that these two elements, desire and persistence, are the keys to wealth creation. They are the fuel that ignites the engine of financial success. Without a burning desire and persistent effort, the journey to wealth becomes a meandering path with no clear destination. So, the secret is simple but powerful. Desire backed by persistence paves the way to financial success. Our fourth money secret is from Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This secret revolves around the concept of time is money. Sounds familiar, right? But let's delve a little deeper. When we say time is money, what we're really saying is that the time you spend working is directly proportional to the money you earn. But the real question is, are you aware of the value of your time? Here's the thing. Understanding the real worth of your time can lead you to make better financial decisions. If you're spending countless hours on a job that barely pays your bills, is it really worth it? Or could your time be better spent elsewhere? Perhaps on a venture that could potentially bring more financial stability? It's food for thought. Remember, time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. The fifth money secret comes from The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley. This secret revolves around the principle of living below your means. Now, what does it mean to live below your means? Quite simply, it's about spending less than you earn. It's about frugality and avoiding unnecessary luxuries. You might be surprised to learn that many of the wealthiest individuals practice this principle. They understand that to accumulate wealth, you need to control your spending habits. It's not about deprivation or missing out on the finer things in life. Rather, it's about making conscious choices, prioritizing needs over wants, and understanding the value of money. Wealth, after all, isn't just about the accumulation of money. It's about the freedom and options that money can provide. It's about financial security and peace of mind. It's about creating a better future for yourself and your loved ones. So remember, wealth is not about having a lot of money, it's about having a lot of options. Money secret number 6 is from The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This secret is a practical and effective approach to handling debt known as the debt snowball method. Imagine a small snowball rolling downhill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow and gets larger and faster. The debt snowball method works in a similar way. You start by paying off your smallest debt first. Once that's out of the way, you roll the money you were paying on that debt into the next smallest debt. This cycle continues, and like a snowball gaining momentum, you start to pay off your debts faster and faster. This method might seem counterintuitive. You might think, shouldn't I pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first? But here's the thing, it's not just about the math. It's about behavior, it's about gaining momentum and seeing progress. The most important thing about getting out of debt is not just becoming debt-free, but staying debt-free. The 7th money secret is from The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. In this insightful read, Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Group, champions the idea of investing in index funds. Now you may wonder, why index funds? Well, here's the secret sauce. Index funds are low cost, and they mirror the performance of a specific market index. This means that instead of trying to beat the market, which is often a high-risk endeavor, you're essentially buying into the entire market. Over the long term, this strategy has proven to consistently yield steady wealth growth. Low cost and broad diversification make index funds an optimal choice for many investors. Bogle's philosophy is simple yet powerful. It's not about finding the next big thing or the proverbial needle in the haystack. It's about a steady, long-term approach to investing. Don't look for the needle in the haystack, just buy the haystack. Money secret number 8 is from The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss. This book introduces us to the concept of automate your income. But what does it exactly mean? Well, imagine a life where your income flows in without you having to trade your time for money. That's the essence of creating automated income streams. It's about setting up systems, often digital these days, that generate revenue even when you're not actively working on them. Think about writing an ebook, creating an online course, or setting up a blog with affiliate marketing. Once established, these platforms continue to generate income, requiring minimal effort on your part. This approach provides not just financial freedom but also frees up your time. You get to decide what to do with this newfound time, whether it's learning a new skill, spending more time with loved ones, or exploring new hobbies. Remember, the goal is not to make money, but to make your time worth more. The 9th money secret comes from The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. This secret is all about automating your savings. Now, you might be wondering, what does that mean? Well, it's quite simple. Instead of manually transferring money into your savings account each month, you set up an automatic transfer. This way, you're saving without even thinking about it. It's like putting your wealth accumulation on autopilot. The brilliance of this method is that it eliminates the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. Because let's face it, we're all human, and sometimes those shiny new gadgets or those killer sales can be hard to resist. But when your savings are automated, that money is out of sight, out of mind. Plus, thanks to the magic of compound interest, those automated savings can grow exponentially over time. This principle is a testament to the power of consistency in wealth accumulation. Remember, a small amount saved regularly can grow into a large amount. Money secret number 10 is from Rich Woman by Kim Kiyosaki. This secret is all about one of the most traditional yet powerful investment avenues, real estate. When you invest in real estate, you are not just buying property. You are investing in a tangible asset that can appreciate over time, potentially delivering substantial returns. The beauty of real estate is its versatility. You can rent out your property for a steady income stream, or you can sell when the market is ripe for a handsome profit. And let's not forget the tax advantages that come along with it. But remember, like any investment, it's not a guaranteed success. It requires due diligence, a keen understanding of the market, and sometimes patience. Yet, if done right, real estate can be a stepping stone to financial independence, allowing you to generate wealth and secure your financial future. Investing in real estate is about more than just finding a place to call home. It's about financial freedom. The 11th money secret is from The Money Game by Adam Smith. This secret is all about understanding the market. Now you might be thinking, isn't that a given? But it's not as straightforward as it sounds. Many people enter the world of investing without a clear understanding of market trends and cycles, and they often pay the price. You see, the market moves in waves. It has its highs and lows, its bubbles and crashes. Understanding these patterns can be the difference between making a profit and suffering a loss. This knowledge allows you to make informed decisions, rather than just hoping for the best. This doesn't mean you can predict exactly what the market will do. No one can. But you can equip yourself with the knowledge to ride the waves rather than being crushed by them. Remember, the market is not your enemy, but your tool. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. The final money secret is from The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This secret is all about the principle of invest in what you understand. It's a simple yet profound concept that can make or break your financial future. The idea is straightforward. When you put your money into businesses and industries that you comprehend, you're more likely to make sound decisions. This understanding allows you to anticipate potential pitfalls and opportunities, reducing your risk of loss. You're not simply investing in a company, you're investing in a business model, a market, and an industry that you recognize. Moreover, understanding your investments can lead to increased profits. When you know the ins and outs of an industry, you can identify trends and opportunities before others do, giving you an edge. So, before you leap into an investment, take a moment to learn. Understand the business, the market, and the risks involved. Because, as Benjamin Graham wisely said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. The journey to financial freedom begins with financial literacy. As we wrap up this enlightening journey through 12 eye-opening money secrets from 50 finance books, let's take a moment to reflect on the wisdom we've uncovered. From the lessons of Rich Dad Poor Dad that taught us the critical importance of acquiring assets, to the timeless advice of the richest man in Babylon that stressed the power of saving. We've learned the mindset of wealth creation from Think and Grow Rich, and the value of life energy through Your Money or Your Life. We've delved into the frugal habits of the wealthy in The Millionaire Next Door, and the steps to financial freedom in The Total Money Makeover. We've explored the simplicity of investing in The Little Book of Common Sense Investing, and the benefits of automation from The Automatic Millionaire. Each book brings a unique perspective to the table, and I encourage you to read them for a deeper understanding of these concepts. Remember, financial literacy isn't just about understanding money, it's about using that knowledge to change your life.